Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Motivational Marketer. My name is Benjamin, and today's video, I'm going to just be talking about the most important thing you can invest in. And I know some people are probably thinking about Bitcoin or some kind of online program or new upcoming trend. But what I'm here to tell you is the most important thing that you can invest in is yourself. Because when you invest time into yourself, when you spend time learning new things, trying to get involved in changing your life, that's when your life changes. Now this only happens when you put action behind it. When you invest in yourself, you're educating yourself, you're constantly reading, you're learning new things, you're challenging yourself. Whether it's working out, losing weight, building a business, when you're investing into yourself, that has the biggest return. It's always good to invest into your business if you're a business owner, but also investing in yourself is even more important than that. Because when you do that, you're constantly setting the bar higher and higher for your limitations. If you're constantly pushing yourself to improve, to get better in that certain area that you're focusing on, that's going to pay the biggest return. That's going to help you immeasurably. So think about that. If you're really trying to change your life, the best thing you can do is invest in yourself. Whether it's starting a business, losing weight, just learning a new skill, it all starts with investing in yourself. Take classes, read books on the subject, experience it, practice it. That's all under the category of investing in yourself. Find somebody who's willing to teach you. Because if you look at people who are successful in life, whether it be a professional athlete or someone like Steve Jobs or Bill Gates or Elon Musk, they've taken the time to invest in themselves. They've dedicated hours and hours to perfecting their craft, and I'm pretty sure they've all experienced failures. That's all part of the process, to experience failures. So when you're looking to improve your quality of life, you have to make sacrifices. You have to be willing to go farther than the next person. So something that you have to ask yourself is, how bad do you want to change your life? If you're chasing success, you have to ask yourself, how bad do you want it? What is the reason why you're doing this? So it all comes down to investing in programs, in books, educating yourself, constantly educating yourself. And I know some of you are probably thinking to yourselves, oh, that's never going to happen for me. I want to try this, but I know I can't achieve it. Let me tell you guys something. In life, it doesn't matter what background you come from. It only matters where you're going. Because I don't come from a wealthy background. I'm not somebody who was born with a silver spoon in my mouth. But that doesn't mean that I can't achieve certain things that are out of my league. In order for me to achieve the next level of success that I probably thought wasn't possible for me maybe 2 or 3 years ago, I know I can achieve it, but I just have to put the work in and slowly start building my way up to that point. And that's something that you guys have to think about for yourselves. How bad do you want to achieve what you're trying to accomplish? So it all starts by investing into yourself, putting in the hours, putting in the time, the hard work, the education. All of that factors into whether you're successful or not. You have to have a positive mindset, and you have to be willing to challenge yourself. When you achieve a certain goal, set another goal and raise the stakes, raise the bar on yourself, challenge yourself. Always push yourself. Never get too comfortable. Because when you get too comfortable, that's when you stop growing. And I don't know if you guys have heard this expression, but it goes something like, if you stop growing, that's when you start dying. And that's when you start declining. So always push yourself. When you accomplish a challenge, set another challenge for yourself. Always go for something that's bigger and better. And then when you do that, just take a look back at where you started and you'll be surprised at the progress that you made. Now this applies to anybody who's willing to improve their life. Because you could take all the time in the world to educate yourself, read books, go to programs, but if you don't take action, then there's no point in even doing it. You have to make a conscious decision that you want to change your life and have a better quality of life. And I know some of you are probably thinking you don't want to take the time to invest in yourself, because it might take 6 months, it might take a year, 2 years, 5 years, maybe even 10 years. But the way I see it, time's gonna go by anyways. So why not spend that time improving yourself? This video is for those of you who are looking for motivation, those of you who are willing to change your life. Well, that's all I have for today, guys. And I hope this video has helped you guys in some kind of way. Maybe gave you some kind of message or some kind of understanding on how you can improve your quality of life. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification, because I'm going to have a lot more videos coming out in the future. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.